What's good, my peoples? So today we're gonna go on a little trip to LA, and we're gonna try to find some bomb ass food, and we're gonna go to this dope ass view. Just watch. I'll show y'all. But yeah, so we on the freeway right now, and I'll catch y'all when we eat. And excuse the little fat ass pimples. Crazy ass view. That shit's nice as fuck. I've been looking for this shit for fucking forever. Joint fired. We're about to take some pictures though. Just eat it. Look at this shit about to be busting. What we get? A side of fries. $1.50 tacos. $1.50 tacos, yes sir. Horchata. Horwache. Stop fucking playing. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. God damn. Alright, so I fixed that shit up. Yes sir. That's it. Ooh, I can't wait to bite this shit. I don't know which one to pick. Which one? Oh, that shit recording. Oh my god. Fire. Horchata. Let's taste this shit. That's short as fuck. Oh my god. Shit's crazy. I'll try this red shit. No, it don't smell good. I don't like that. I don't like that. Put this shit on there. Ooh wee. This shit is nuts. For real. Fire. Yeah. Stupid. Yeah. Horchata, fire. Everything, fire. Are those two tacos? I'm gonna get to this thing. Yes, sir. Looks like they use nacho cheese for these fries. And regular cheese, I think. I don't know. and put nacho cheese, and then melted shredded white cheese. Oh my god. I'm gonna creating salad fries. Mmm. This shit is fucking insane. Low key. I'm not a fan of nacho cheese, but that nacho sauce did it. Like, it's like the best fucking salad fries I've had. Honestly. For real, for real. Like, these things fire. God damn, I'm so glad I came here. Shit. If y'all wanna know, Leo's Tacos. Yes, sir. Hey, so yeah, that was my little trip to LA or whatever. It was, I wanted to stay out there way longer, but it was too fucking hot. Way too fucking hot. I wanted to go back to that view at nighttime, but I'll just go at nighttime another day. But yeah. I'm telling you, those salad fries I had are the best salad fries I've ever had, for sure. That place is Leo's Tacos. That shit was fire. Best taco truck that I've ever been to. But yeah, thank y'all for fucking with me. If you watched the video, man, like, comment, talk to me, subscribe, and yeah, follow my Instagram at DylanFo20. DYL and 20 with 2 Y's. Okay, my ash game is crazy. But yeah, I'll fuck with y'all later.